What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have another really cool keycap that we're gonna unbox, or should I say it's already been opened because this is from my original Overwatch keycap that I did. I purchased multiple keycaps, they all came in the same package. So this is the very last one of this package and let's get to it. Man, I've been patient for you guys. Okay, so let's open this up and see what we have inside. Finally. Okay, so if I am correct, this should be sky or clouds kind of keycap. There we go. Wow, that looks very neat. It's actually very polished. Seems nicely done. And not sure what to think of the design. I mean, on the side it kind of looks like clouds. The center looks like cloud volcano kind of deal. I like the light blue touch with the white and the dark blue. I think that looks really cool. And see the bottom, no branding. You do have your Cherry MX stem. Let's put this on the keyboard and see how it looks. Alright, so I'm gonna put this one here next to the Dwarf Factory Miracle Island keycaps. And let's see how this looks. It went in very smooth, looking very nice. Alright, it looks very nice. And remember, if you want to see any of the keycaps on the keyboard, all the reviews are up on the channel. And if you don't see a video for it, it's because it's not up yet. Okay, let's check it out here on the side. Not very translucent. It's only the bottom portion of it that's lighting up. So it doesn't really go to the top. That would have been really cool. I mean, I do see just a tad bit of lighting coming through, but not too much. Just turn off the lights, maybe that works better. This is what it looks like with the lights off. So still, yeah, I mean, just a little bit of lighting coming through, not too much. All right, my keycap freaks, I really hope you enjoyed that video. That one was actually very nice. It didn't resemble exactly what I bought in the picture, but all in all, I like the outcome. It looks nice, it looks well polished, and it will really match any setup you got going on, something blue, beachy, or sky-like. Very cool indeed. If you are new here, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel if you like this video. And if you're not new, thank you for your time. I really appreciate it. Remember people, be kind to one another. Have a good one.